Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creation. It's a quick test run today, folks. New Piggies came in, so I thought I'd give them a check. This is going to be a full pillow. This is carbon black. And I'm going to just put it across the top of this very quickly. Nice even swipe. It's going to take several swipes, so I cut off a lot of the in-betweens, make it go just a little faster. The key to the faux pillow is to make sure that you get a nice thin but even layer across the entire white pillow. This is the first of the stuck-up picks. I believe this red, and this is a Cobalt Turquoise. There's a little bit of black cell activator, carbon black, and just a simple swipe over the top. I'll have a list of the paints down in the description below if you're interested in seeing what colors there was. This is the second stuck-up egg, and I'm not seeing what because I'm not sure which one was which. That was Southern Ocean blue and a little more of the red, and this is teal. I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the other side. A little bit of black cell activator. That's mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol, otherwise known as the magic sauce. I'm going to do a little bit of scooping and dragging, and I'll let you watch until the end. And I'll be back at the end with the flyover. Time for the flyover. Notice the cells, and I'll see you at the end. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free, and it really does help. Thanks for being here tonight, and I hope you got something out of this. Bye for now.